Hello guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Sai Siddharth and in this channel I will be doing drawing tutorials, origami tutorials and much more. Today we will be drawing Iron Man from Avengers Infinity War. That is Iron Man Mark 50. So let's get right into it. So, for this tutorial you will need a paper, pencil, eraser and different types of black ink pens. Okay, so let's get right into it. By the way, I have the picture that I am using, the reference picture in the description below. Okay. Let me zoom in. It's okay. Just a second. Yep. Draw a circle, pretty big. And by the way, we'll draw this in landscape mode. So, pretty big circle. Okay. So he's gonna be, he's gonna be like seeing upwards, and you'll see only his left side of his face. So, anyways, let's do that. One line coming down. I think this is a good area. Okay. Find a point right here, down. Yep, so hope it's clear. Yep, so that's for the chin and that's for the jaw. Okay, so this is door. Widen the jaw a bit. Okay, so got that. Okay, now that's the center line, right? So that's a pretty good face. Okay, and now the neck, one line coming down. Okay, you don't see the neck on this side, so let's move on to the trapezius muscles. Okay, fine. Imagine that this center line is going to go down, just a light one for now. Find a point right here. Connect it. Should be pretty big, I think. Yeah, and just right here. Yeah, find a thin one. I mean a small one, a bit pretty small. Yeah. Okay, and then connect this. Yeah. So this part is bigger than this part, but that's okay. That's part of it. Right. So it's good. So now before we go on to the body, let's do the arms. So the shoulder, pretty much slanted, more like a circle above the size of the head, kind of like an oval. Okay, so let me just get that right. Make sure all the shoulders, the body parts are in proportion to each other. Okay, so that's good. Right, so we got the shoulder. Okay, you know what, just, yeah. Now let's imagine that this line is gonna go, that's the back, go behind this. It's gonna come down like this. So we're gonna be drawing him till the, the waist. So like that, just rough for now. Okay, let's do the chest. Find a point right here. No, that's good. This here. Flat line. Okay, so it goes till here, like that. So like that. So that's good. Just curve this a bit more. It's just only for roughly now. Okay. Okay, so that's good. Right now, this part, it sort of comes like this, so he's kind of leaning. So imagine that, let's assume that this part, this part from here to here, that's the, like some, how to say, like this is the side part, like the side of your body, and this is the main, okay, whatever. Okay, so just a nice curve. Okay, and then just like that. Yeah, you can erase this line. Okay, so that's good. Right, so we'll be ending at that. Oh, let's end. So that's good. Let me just zoom out. Yeah, so that's good. That's a pretty good shape for now. Let's keep going. Give him like some, the muscular feel. Curve that line. Yeah. So now let's do this arm. So first the bicep, I guess. So one circle for that, and one line coming till here, and that's the middle arm, yes. Okay, and now let's time for the forearm. 2 lines going out and coming in like this. So this armor is a very smooth line, so don't like give it nice edges. Don't do that. The smooth lines always. Right, so that's a good question. And now this arm. Okay, so imagine that it's right over here. It's behind there. Okay, so imagine like that. And then let's do the not here. Let's do the bicep. It's right here. So pretty angled down a bit. Okay, and then bring this up. So let me just make it more clear for you. Zooming in, so that's the max I can zoom. Okay, and then cut it off right here. Okay, and then erase all of this. Okay, so that's pretty good. So that's this is the shoulder. This is the shoulder and this is the arm. And you know what? Just, yeah, that's good. Sorry if it's not clear. Let me just, yeah, so that's good. Right now, 2 lines coming out like this. So he has this thing called cluster cannons, I guess. So that's the one that we'll be drawing. So imagine a line right here. Okay, so connect it from here to here. Okay, so let's do that part in the end. So that's good for now. Let me zoom out. And then he has these flight stabilizers, I guess. So thinly. Okay, 2 lines like this. Okay, and then right here from middle of the trapezius muscles, and then going up, coming down, coming like this, and do like that. Right, so there's kind of a point right there. Okay, so that's good. And from here, from the bottom, just give it that edge kind of feel. Okay, let me make that simpler for you. Circle, and then do that. Okay, so the circle has to stick out a bit. Okay, you can see, right? The circle is sticking out a bit, and then this goes till here. Yep, so till this point. So it goes there. Okay, and then a bit below. Okay, so that's good. Now let's shape this thing. Erase that circle. Give that nice edge feel. Only in the flight stabilizers there are, I guess, edges. All the other parts are very smooth. Right, so now you got that. Right, so there you go. And that's pretty good. Now let's keep going. So before we go into the details, let's first do the flight stabilizers. So I'll make the job easier. Zooming in. Yep. Okay. Now one line like this, going in, like that. Cross, coming out. Again going in a bit, coming down, kind of like a triangle right there. Yep, so that's good. and then just double this line right there, and then connect this. So it's like a 3D, somewhat gives depth to it. Right now, imagine that there's a line going like this. Double that line. Should I doubled it. One line like this, so that's good. Like this. Oopsie. Don't double the bottom line. Okay, so that's like that. That's that, you guys. So that has one of the stabilizers and just a small triangle, connect it like that. That's good. Right now it's time for the bottom line, bottom stabilizer. It's not that much to it, just line like that. Okay, and then straight line, go down. That's all there is in the picture that I'm using. So all of this is red, so if you want you can color that in. Okay, but I'm not going to be doing that. Alright, so yeah, let's keep going. Let me just erase that line. Alright, now we got that. Let me erase some lines. Okay, that's good. Okay, so let's keep going now. Right, just a second. Yeah. So now erase the bottom of the circle. Okay, you have that center line. Okay, that's good. Yeah. Right. So let me. Yeah. So focusing on the face. Yeah. Alright, now it's not difficult to not turn it, I guess. Okay, so now I want you to find a line from here. So it's really important to find the eye line correctly. So I'd say somewhat here. That's a good spot to place the eyes. And then just do like that. So you got that. Anyway, that's not of any use. So just. And now hope it's that's the maximum that I can zoom in. So one small line, and let me show you how it goes. It's sort of like it's like one line like this, and then one line like that, one line like this, small line, big line. Yep, it's like that. So that's the shape that we're gonna be doing here. Right, so small line. This line is very small, like this 0.01 centimeters. It's pretty small. That's what makes it look like, the bleeding edge armor. Okay, so that's good. And then going up like that. Okay, and then smooth curve, you guys, like that. So don't give it, just like I told, don't give it those edges, smoothen these curves, like that. So keep smoothening them. So that's good. Now, oops, sorry about that. So since you've done that, let's do this. Draw this line. Okay, let it go a bit more out. Okay, and roughly for now, one line going out. So right now, let's do this eye. There's not that much to it, so just like that. So very small one from there. Okay, and now from there, bring it down like this. Okay, bring that beak going up. Right, so now let's do this part. One line out like this. Okay, and then going up, find a point right here, and then flat like that. Just let me do it. Yep, that's good. Make that a bit more curved. Okay, curvy line till there, and then just let it continue till there, like that. Yep, so that's pretty good for now. And then just do that. So it looks like it kind of ends here, and then double this line. So kind of giving it that depth. Actually, it's nanotechnology, so don't give it too much of a depth. Alright, so that's good, pretty good. Now there's sort of like an air vent right here, kind of like a rectangle, more of like a reverse trapezium, isosceles trapezium kind of thing. Alright, so that's good. So one line like this. So that indicates that this is the side of the side of the face, and then one line here. That's like the eyebrow of the armor, I guess. Okay, so that's good. Oops, I do that a lot of times. Right, now anyways, find a point from here. Let's just imagine that the ear is somewhat right here. Okay, find the point here, let it go up, and like that. Okay, and then bring this down. So okay, and then bring this down like this. Okay, so you got that. Now let's do the rest of the face. So that's kind of covering the ear part. Okay, so face, you guys, face. So yeah, so I guess this video will be part 1 and part 2, so make sure you watch the other one. Okay, so I just do that nice curve, flatten the top a bit because we are looking at it from the side. Okay, so that's good for now. And imagine this line going here, going down. Okay, so let's say that the mouth is somewhat right there. Okay, 2 lines, you guys. Another line coming like this. Okay, down, up, so like that. Okay, so if you got that correctly, down, up, and then connect it like that. So that's good, like that. So you got that. Just yep. So that's good. There's a ton of details, in this suit. It's kind of like an alien technology. So, anyways, one line like this. That's for the jaw. I think jaw metal. It's the jaw of the helmet. Okay, and then this line. When I'm inking it, I'll be drawing this line very lightly. So just a second, I'm just erasing that. Yeah. So let's keep going right now. Okay. Right now, one line like this, and then circle right there, 2 lines like this, and then just 1 line like that. So that's good. Okay, and then smoothen this line out. Alright, now kind of like an hexagon, half an hexagon. Okay, like that, and then divide it into half and shade 1. So that's the simplified version, you guys. If you want to have a look at the reference picture that I have in the description below, so make sure you see that too. So that's good, that's good, yep. So there you go, you have your bleeding edge. You know what? Curve this. And you have your bleeding edge face. And I almost forgot this part right here. Absorb. Okay, so that's good. Let me just 1 second. Yeah. Okay, and now. Alright, so 1 second.